everyone, my name is Jennifer.
And I'm Steve.
And this is Coloring Bliss, and welcome. We have a really fun, massive, huge, exciting art haul unboxing.
It's not that big.
It's giant, and it's from Blick. I'm so excited to show you all the treasures I have in here because it's quite a potpourri of fun things.
Yeah.
I'm excited, so let's do an art haul unboxing. Okay, so we got this box a couple days ago, and I peeked inside, and Steve was like, you need to do an art haul unboxing with this one. So, oh, they saw inside. They know one thing that's in here. Anyway, one thing I do want you to notice as we go into this Blick box is how awesome they do with packaging. They do such a good job
It's
to
always
protect
so impressive. So much better than Amazon.
Oh, man, you do lots of Amazon ordering and you just sort of put up with the bad packaging, and then you get a box from like Blick and you go, wow, Amazon could do so much better. So just take a peek at that. Now, it was covered with a bubble at the top, bubble packaging. Oh, Steve's got this stuff, so it was well packaged at the top, and it had my invoice. So I took those things out, and now we get to peruse together. Ooh, here we go. Oh, I'm so excited for this first row. Okay, so the first row here is a bunch of not that exciting things as far as doesn't make beautiful glitters and colors and all that stuff. But what it does do is it makes lots of mixed media magic. That's what this stuff is here. So we have some clear gesso by Liquitex, and I've been mixing my clear gesso in with my gel matte medium and doing all kinds of really cool things in my mixed media art journal. So much fun. Now, to go along with that process with the layering and all the decoupage I do in my mixed media art journal, I needed some more Mod Podge because I've been going through it pretty fast. So that's what this is for here. So yay! And also, when I'm done with a mixed media page, I end up sealing it. And this is the product I've been using for sealing those pages. So again, I've been going through it pretty fast. So I had to get myself another can of this. I've been really happy with this one. It's a little pricey though, and it is stinky. You have to do it outside. So now, if you are interested in the mixed media products and the way I use them and the whole process and the neat art that I've been creating, we have I think it's an 8-part series over with the Bliss partners at Coloring Bliss. So come and learn all about that. I'll put a link to that series in the video description so you can learn about that. Okay, now this is a new product to me. I'm excited about this one here. It's another Krylon fixative spray, I wanted to find one that was specifically good for chalk pastels or soft pastels. So that's what this guy was for here. So it says safeguards pastel, charcoal, pencil, and chalk from dusting, smudging, and fading. Now, what got me excited when I read about this one here was that it helps with the UV light absorbing. So hopefully it will help with light fast type issues. And then I read down a little bit. It also provides a workable and a final protection.
Oh, wow.
So it's kind of a 2-for-1, both a workable fixative and a final fixative.
Very good.
So, way cool. Again, this one was a little more expensive. Anything in their fine art gallery series, they charge a lot for. Krylon does. So we'll see how it works. It'll be a first time for me on this one. Oh, okay, now we're getting into some more fun things in here. See, they nestled this all in so nothing would shift. So nice. Okay, let's start with one thing that is new to me. And this is why I needed a new spray for my pastels, you guys, is I'm going to be doing some future videos and tutorials all about pastel pencils. Now, not the color pastel, but the product pastel, so the chalky type pastels. So I am gearing up for that. Should we peek inside real quick?
Yeah.
These ones are by Cretacolor.
So far, Stabilo has been one of your favorites?
Yeah.
But you only have
We only
couple,
have
right?
a small set of Carbothello Stabilos. And then I also have a small set that I haven't played around much with of the Faber-Castell. Ooh, here they are. Did they make it? Yeah, everything looks good. So yeah, that's what these are. I'm not going to unpackage these yet and play with them yet, though. That's for another video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on me playing with some of these products. Very cool. I like that tin. Okay. Oh, these are light fast and everything, you guys. Of course, that's always debatable, but anyway. Okay. Also in here we have some Faber-Castell Pit Artist pens. So these ones here are they're India ink, you guys. So that means that once they dry, they're permanent. And such vibrant, beautiful colors. And I have some of these that I have used before on the channel, but in all blues and blue greens.
That's right.
And I think I have like one red and one orange. And I wanted some good neutral colors.
Oh, were you thinking of the tan paper too?
Yes.
I was gonna
For
say.
the tan paper and for my mixed media art, because I'm always in need of a good permanent pen. See, alcohol markers aren't that permanent, but the India
They're not
ink,
very light fast either.
yeah, but the India ink is light fast and it's super permanent. So this has a B for brush. These are by Faber-Castell. They have a beautiful brush tip. It's very expressive brush tip, and they come in a really wide range of colors. You can get them in these little packets with like a color story, or you can get them individual or in a huge, very expensive set.
Aren't they part of the color system too?
Yeah, they're part of Faber-Castell's color system.
So they'll match the polychromos.
Yeah,
Cool.
pretty cool. So that's something, a new colors to me, but a product that I know and really enjoy. Okay, next thing in here, this is something kind of odd, you guys. So these are, they call them China markers, but they're color pencils.
That's so weird.
Yep.
I guess they're just talking about marking.
Yes, because
Like
they're a
marks.
grease pencil. Now, as you know, I've been gearing up for a new video where we're going to be doing the battle, the ultimate battle of white color pencils. So I went on to Dick Blick and I was like, show me every white color pencil you have. And this guy came up right here. And I was like, what? A grease pencil? Now, whether we would ever actually color with this guy, is he any good? These are all questions that I have and couldn't answer without actually buying one and bringing it in. So we'll talk about it. Oh, yeah,
Oh,
see, it's one
interesting.
of those paper wrapped ones that you have to peel back the paper, which I haven't done that in years, so I'm going to have to relearn how to do that. So yeah, this will be an interesting experience, and it will be added to the big battle of, maybe it's our secret weapon that none of us knew was there, and we should all be using this grease pencil. Well, I don't know. That's what we're going to find out. Okay, so another thing in here is another Enroll. I use these pencil rolls primarily for either partial sets or smaller sets of tools that I like to carry and travel with. And I have an upcoming video where I'm going to be filling this with something, and I'm not going to tell you what. If you want to know, you have to subscribe. The Enrolls are awesome. They're really inexpensive. They're decent quality. They're not like your best quality. They are really quite decent quality for the price. Holds, I think, is it 48? Holds 36. Markers, pencils, pens, brushes. Yeah, good value for your money on these Enrolls. So I have a whole bunch of them, and they're getting used all the time. Okay, so next one up is some more pastel pencils. And these guys are by Derwent. So let's take a peek at this box here. And there is more in the box there, you guys. So don't go away yet. Don't you love that cover art?
Oh, my word.
The cover art on the tins, if you guys didn't know, they're always done with the product that is inside the tin. So that was done with chalk pastels. Can you believe that? It's so inspiring. Okay, so this is the chalk pastels, the 24 set here by Derwent. They all look in one piece.
I love the look at their pencil.
Yeah, they do a good pencil.
Do you know, do they have a color system?
No.
Oh, so these don't match.
I'm 85% sure the answer is no. Yeah, so I don't think they would match anything. So anyway, so that will go hand in hand with those other pastel pencils. And hopefully I'll be able to, in the near future, do a video where I can advise you on what brand I would recommend you invest in when it comes to pastel pencils. Okay, now we're coming into the corner. See, again, more packaging to keep everything safe and secure. And we have 3 bags in here. So I'm going to leave those 2 bags, and let's peek what's in this bag. I'm so excited. We need like a new graphic that every time I get my full set syndrome satisfied, it like comes up and like sparkles come out or something.
Maybe
It's
I'll
like,
have to figure that out.
yeah, Steve, okay, right now, the full set syndrome satisfied graphic. I'm so excited. Okay. Not too long ago, I did a video about these Derwent drawing pencils. I mentioned that I couldn't help myself and I had to order the final pencils to fill out the set. And that's this group of pencils right here. So here they are. Look how pretty. It's taking everything I have to not pull out a swatch book and start swatching right now. Look how gorgeous the colors are. Oh, okay, they're in a row. Let me move the box so you can use the other camera and show them the pretty colors that came in this set. Look at how pretty. Oh, look at
They remind me of the Graphitint. Aren't Graphitints or Derwent, right?
No. Oh, yeah, they're. Yeah.
The colors remind me of Graphitint.
Looks like that one got a little bumped at the bottom, but that's okay. That's all the pretty colors. Oh, I cannot wait. Oh, I just want to swatch right now, but no, we're here to unbox. This is not a swatching. But I have a plan to get a case, and all of these pencils will go together into one zipped up case so I can reach for them and use them a lot. So that's the plan for these. And I love how Blick packages their pencils and things like this in bags like this. It actually protects them really quite well.
It's like you can tell they're packaged by people who like art products, you know, and who care about art products and know the value.
Yeah, so yay, full set syndrome satisfied. Okay, now I think there were 2 more bags like this in here. So in this bag here has a couple more contenders for our battle of the white color pencils. I don't know, it was a couple weeks ago, I went into our Facebook group, which is called what, Steve?
It's just group/coloring pages bliss.
Yeah, and such an awesome group. So I was like, I need some advice from all of you colorists as to what white color pencils you guys lean on. And so I went on Facebook and started a question and asked all of you what white pencils I need to make sure I include in this battle. And so I made up a post, and thank you everyone who contributed your thoughts on white pencils. And so I went and made sure I had all the ones you suggested. So one of them that was mentioned was the Stabilo, and this one's actually water soluble one. Interesting. And it says paper, glass, plastic, and metal on it. Stabilo all, it says. So I don't know if this is the exact one that was recommended to me. I know someone recommended a Stabilo white, and so as I was searching for Stabilo whites, I came across this one. And it intrigued me because, like this guy, it's like for different things, like glass and plastic, and so I thought, So that's why this one came home. And then this one was recommended to me during our Holbein review that we did on the Holbein pencils as an awesome white. Now that set I have, the 12 set, came with a white, but everyone said you also need to test the soft white, and it was recommended to me multiple times, multiple ways, so I ordered the soft white. This guy was expensive. live, so I'm excited to see how he performs. Okay, this goes along with my mixed media art and my want of more Pitt pens. So this is just a nice black brush tip India ink Pitt pen. So again, they lay down a permanent, light, fast black line. So for my art, when I want to, sign it or add black lines, eyelashes or whatever, I can use this. So that's why I got that. Okay, now the final bag here. This is a little pad of sandpaper that I use these for sharpening and cleaning off the edges of my paper blending stumps. So mine was starting to get low, and so now I'll have a replacement. I don't have to worry about running out of sandpaper. So that worked out well. And then this is a final purchase that I made, and it's a special pencil sharpener made by Stabilo, and it's made for their pastel pencils. I've always used just my good old Coom or my Alvin Brass Bullet, really good German blade pencil sharpener. Had no problems with sharpening up my pastel pencils. But as I was researching what pastel pencils to purchase for upcoming videos, I ran into this little guy and thought, is that an important thing, to use their pencil sharpener to make the best experience with their pastel pencils? Another question that needs to be answered about these pastel pencil products. So I will be including that in an upcoming video as well, whether you need to invest in that particular pencil sharpener. So that's my giant unboxing. And I'm so excited. I have full set syndrome satisfied. I'm ready to do more mixed media art. Lots of new videos are upcoming. Thanks, Steve, for hanging out and having fun unboxing with me.
You're welcome.
And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful, colorful, blissful day. Bye-bye, everyone.